Hey guys, it's Lion. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be giving my weekly thesis, as well as some key levels and that sort of thing. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so first thing, so I'll be using this indicator. So this indicator allows me to manually input previous week close and the volatility index. So basically, yeah, so that's basically it, and it gives me like standard deviations. And then for ES, I would say to set this to 1.5. Then for NQ, you can use 5 or 6. And basically, you find previous week close for ES if you're trading ES, or previous week close for NQ if you trade NQ, or for gold if you trade gold. It works on those three things. And then for the volatility index, what you want to input is previous week close for VIX if it's ES, or if it is NQ, then you would use VXN, and if it's gold, then you would use GVZ. So I'm going to show how I would do that real quick. Okay, so right now it's set for ES. So basically we go on the weekly chart on TradingView, and then basically you would look at the weekly candle, the previous weekly candle, and you'd see what the close is, and we can see that the close is 6,875.25. So we put that in there, and then now we would go to VIX, and then we would see here the close is 19.85. So then you go to ES, and you would make sure that is inputted. So like, yeah, so see how that's inputted, and then 1.5, and then you get this nice looking thing here. And you can see like I mean, so this is supposed to work for like this coming week, but it shows that like it caught some levels, like it caught some moves, but that's just because it'll be somewhat similar to last week, depending on if we close similar to last week. So let's do it for NQ. Okay. The close is 24,952.75. And then let's make this 6. And then let's go to VXN. The close is 24.64. Let's go to NQ. 24.64. Cool. So now these are the NQ levels, and then you can use these to trade, and it gives pretty good support and resistance, especially when you line it up with the volume profile levels. And then let's do it for gold as well. There we go. And then the close for gold is 5,296. Something like that. Okay. 5296.4. And then let's look up GVC. 33.23. And then we want this to be 1.5. And yeah, that's basically it. Actually, I'm not sure. The other thing you could do is you could do 10% of the volatility index thing that you got. So you could do the 3.3, and that would also work. And yeah, I mean, that's basically it for that. So now I'm going to go into my analysis for ES. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I guess I'll just use this to do my analysis. I'll use this chart. So we have this balance area here, and then we have a shelf here, and then we have an LVN here, and then we have some support and resistance from the VIX at this LVN and at this LVN, and then you have a shelf here. So this is the balance area that we're auctioning in, and this is the nearest pivot, and these are some minor levels. So the way that I see it now, I'm basically like, okay, if we can break below here, we can maybe come back down, test this shelf, and we'll test here, and then go up. And then probably go up to like here, or at least to here. And then, or maybe like we could go up here and then fail, or we could just do this. Oh yeah, keep in mind, I don't really have the supply zones marked. Let me just mark supply. What's going on? There we go. There's that supply zone. Not really a whole lot of them, because they come from untapped POCs mainly. I mean, on my other chart, I have like mostly just supply and demand zones. But here I have LVNs and shells. To be honest, I'm kind of stuck between these two charts. Like I'm a little stuck. I'm like, should I use that one or this one? Like I'm kind of at a crossroads. But I don't know, maybe this one makes more sense, because I don't know, maybe, I don't know, maybe like I don't know, because like this, my levels have worked good here, so I don't know, sometimes they don't work at all. I really don't want to like keep changing my model. I kind of want to just stick to something. This is kind of what I've been doing for the last couple weeks. But like, yeah, I don't know. Once I found these VIX levels again, I knew about them before, but once I found them again, now I'm already thinking of switching back to them and removing supply zones, removing supply and demand zones or something. So yeah, I mean, I really got no idea. But yeah, I mean, that's basically it.